this assembly is being get completed over here. So that you can do over here in a very simple way. So now, if you want to move only in particular joint, that you can also check it out. So let me check this joint if you want to move it. So there is limitation of that joint. So individual joint also you can move it and you can check it out. So that you can do it. And if you want to move that robotics arm, that also you can move it wherever you want to move it. So all the function over everything you will able to see it and able to visualize it. That can be done over here in a very simple way. So these are all the operations if you want to move it backward. All the operation one by one if you want to see that also you can see it over here. So that is the beauty of this software. Now I'm going to show you some advanced part about the manufacturing, that how you can do manufacturing over here. So let me open over here that manufacturing, because earlier I have shared with you simulation. Now I'm going to share with you manufacturing. So in a manufacturing, we have to go to manufacturing tool and we have to see that which part we are going to manufacture it. So when we are going to make any assembly, so we have to manufacture it individually. So I'm going to open new project over here and I'm going to make any kind of shape over here to do designing. Select any plane and after that you can make any kind of circle or any kind of rectangular part. So there is option of rectangular. You can take center point rectangular or 3-point rectangular. So I'm going to take center point rectangular. So I'm going to make it like this. And after making it, all the constraint is automatically get defined over here. And after defining constraint, you can make it okay. So let me hide it here. This one is my sketch. So you can finish your sketch. You can define dimension over here. So there is dimension tool. You can use some shortcut also. So you can use the shortcut. That is shortcut command D. Directly press D from your keyboard. You will be able to give dimension easily. So I'm going to define it fully. Yes, now it is fully defined. So after doing it, you can finish it and you can do extrude. So these are 3D tools. So you can do this one press pull also. So you can select this one. So that I shared with you already earlier. So you can do press pull like this. This one is my part. To make it okay. This one is my part over here. So you can use this part also. So this one is your part. If you want to do any finishing in this part, that also you can do it. So let me make some more interesting part so that you can understand it a little bit good way. So let me delete it. So let me make one more part using that revolute or any kind. Let me make the revolute command over here. So let me make one sketch using this. So I'm going to make it like this. So make it like this, then make it like this. Okay, I just made it like this over here. Yes. So this one is my complete part. So I want to revolute it, and after that I want to manufacture this kind of complex part. So how we can do it? So let me finish the dimensions, and after that go to this geometry. Over there you will find revolve command. Select it, select that revolve sketch, then select axis. So axis I want to use it this one axis. Now this one is my part over here. So that is 3D part I made it over here, make it okay. Now you can see this part we made it over here. So this one is my part over here. Now if you want to go to home view, so there will be option over here that is home view. Left view you want to see it, any other view you want to see it, that you can see it. So over here is home view, so you will be able to see your home view directly. So now in this part, if you want to do manufacturing, so how you can do it? So first of all, go to that manufacturing segment. So over here, how you have to do it? So these are steps over here. To setup. So in a setup, you can do new setup. A new setup, you are going to do it. So in new setup, what is happening? This one is a stock. Stock means which raw material you are going to take it out of that you are going to make this part. So when we are going to do manufacturing, there is two way of manufacturing. One is additive and second is subtractive. So when we are going to do subtracting in whatever machining process we are going to do, that is known as subtractive. When we have to remove some material. When we talk about additive manufacturing over there, we are going to add material. That example is RPT, like 3D printing and all that. These are example of additive manufacturing. But over here, we are going to do subtractive machining over here in manufacturing using CNC machine. So how you can use CAM, computer aided manufacturing over here, so that you can see it. I'm going to take this one the stock mean out of that I'm going to extract my material. So if I want to make over here any hole, that also I can make it in a very simple way. For that we have to select our tools. So different operations we have to do it over here. Like first I want to do surface machining, then after that I want to do like circular, I want to do some cut with angle cutting, and after that if I want to make thread, all the step we have to make step by step, all the setup we have to do step by step. Otherwise, you can generate your G code and directly you can manufacture it. But if we are going to do simulation over here, that is good way. So that you can save a lot of time and lot of material costing also. So everything you can do simulation over here in a very simple way. So how you can do setup? In a setup, you can select machine. So first of all, you have to select machine. So you can take this machine over here, local, or you can go for any document. So let me take this one. Or if you want to add some another machines, so which one machine you want to add? So if you want to do milling operations, so you can select milling machine. So these are standard milling machines. So which axis you want to take it? So description, generic, then dimensions, capabilities, multi-axis, axis you can select. So how many axes you want to take it? So that kinematics mechanism that you can select it and you can make it okay. So Autodesk machine, or you can use the standard machine also. So that also you can select it. So I have selected this one machine. Then you can select it. These are dimension and these are specification. This means the vendor of that machine HASS. So with the help of that you document, you will find all the detail over here, but it is not uploaded document over here yet. So you can select it. So I have selected my machine. Then after that, after selecting machine setup, operation type, which operation you want to do, milling, turning, cutting. So whatever operation you want to do, that you can select it over here. So if you are going to do any additive method also, that also you can select it over here. Like if you are going to do 3D printing or any laser cutting, that also you can do over here. The milling operation we are doing it, then that we have selected it over here. And after that work coordinate system. So there is WCS, that is work coordinate system, that how you are going to manufacture it. That you can see over here in work coordinate system, that from where you are going to start manufacturing, from where you are going to start cutting it. So there is one coordinate system in a machine. Machine there is one coordinate X, Y, Z and origin. So we are going to take it reference, and after that in a component also we have to select work coordinate system, that which from where we are going to start manufacturing. That also you can select over here. That is standard. You can select it. Orientations, model orientation, then the stroke box point. So you can select stroke box point, in where from this point or this point stroke point you can select it. From there you can start manufacturing. Then after that you can select any point also. Stroke point, if you want to select any point, that also you can select it. About this coordinates, that you can see it over here. So now after that model, so you can select your body. If you want to select your body, this one is my body. So that is already selected. Make it okay. So then after that, go to this one. You can make it okay. And after that, so you go again over here in setup. In setup. So after selecting it, machine that we have selected, selected machine. This one selected. Okay. Then after that box point we have selected, like right now these points are selected. You can select this point also if you want to start from over here, but I'm going to start from the center. Then after that stroke. Stroke is representing over here this outer side. This one is related to this particular object. If you want to change it, so if you want to make fixed size box, that also you can make it fixed size cylinder, that also you can make it like this cylindrical shape. If you want to cut that part in a cylindrical, that also you can select it, so that you can do easy machining. So that is up to you. That is known as stroke. Stroke means from where you are going to make your material. This one is the raw material. Out of that, you are going to manufacture your part. So that also you can do it over here. Then these are dimension of that stove, that is by default dimension. If you want to increase it, decrease it, that also you can do it over here. So this dimension you can change it over here also, length and width. If you are going to do any modification, then after that this one is post processing. This one is a program number. If you want to change it, that also you can do it. A program comment if you want to put, that also you can do it. So machining WCS, this one is the offset if you want to take it, that we are going to not going to take it over here. Okay, then after that you can make it okay. So this one is my body over here, make it okay. Point also we have selected all these things in that setup. So for mailing operations. Okay. So now after that, these are step over there, like how you are going to do mailing. So we are going to do face milling. So how you are going to do it? So I'm going to select face. So face milling we have to do it. So which one tool you are going to use it in the milling? So I'm going to select tool. Tool you can select it via this. So there are different milling tools. So you can select a tool over here. If you want to add new tool, that also you can add it over here. So these are simple tools like you can take blank or so this you can see over here also this tool. So you can take simple this one tool. So I'm going to take this one tool over here. Yes. So there is option at the bottom that select this tool. So I have selected this tool. This tool is also visible over here that you can see. So tool and coolant. If you want to use some coolant, that also you can use it mist. So some mist coolant if you want to use. Now feed and that speed. So you can give feed over here. That custom you can do it default preset. You can do it. So then the spindle speed by default these are 5000 RPM surface speed. Then ramp spindle speed. Then cutting feed rate. So these are parameter of this operations, like how much you want to do cutting feed rates, feed per tooth. So leading feed rate. So how much you want to increase that feed rate continuously. So these are ramp feed rate mean one after one mean if you are going to complete one round, after that you are going to finish second layer. So how you are going to increase that speed, you want to do fast or slow, that you can select it over here. Speed per revolutions. These are that you can select according to your workpiece and their requirement. So for that you need the basic knowledge about manufacturing, then only you will be able to do it. So that you can make it okay. And then after that, this one is a stock counter. So I mean from where you are going to start, this one is stock. Stock is now not visible over here. If you want to make visible, that also you can see it. So this one is nothing. Stock selection. So stock is not visible over here. Okay, then height. So height, how much height you want to take it. If you want to increase that height or decrease that height, that also you can take over here. Clearance height. So that is visible over here. So I'm going to take it 0, no clearance height. So initially for a reference, if you want to take any clearance height, that you can take it. Then after that, retract height. Retract means when you're going to contact it and you're going to disengage or disengage, that you can do it. Feed height and these are basic things. Then after that, passes. Passes means how many number of passes you are going to use over here for manufacturing this part. If you want to do that surfacing, mean want to do facing in a one time, that also you can do it. And if you want to do facing in a multiple pass, that also you can do it over here. So let's see over here how you can do it in a very simple way. Now these are tolerance and pass direction 0 degree, then pass extensions step over directions, so that you can select it over here, like how you're going to select directions. Both pass from other side, you chip thinning. So multiple depth, you can take it over here. Multiple depth, the maximum step down 1 mm, you can make it 3 mm. So that is up to you how you can take it. So finishing step, stroke to leave. So stroke to leave means that the stroke will get leave over here. Uh, as it is, so I don't want to leave stroke. Yes. So this setup we do it after that linking. This one is last linking, like preserve rapid feed rate. These are advanced things. So I'm going to make it okay. So all the setup I did it. If you selected for face operation, do you want to ignore the warning? So yes, I'm going to ignore this warning because this tool is incompetent over here for this operations. So the tool you can see it over here. The tool will start from working over here like this. So it will start from over here. So what I'm going to do now, after this I did all the setup over here. Then this one is 3D. If you want to do 3D over here, these are multi-axis. So that also you can do it. So now this one is your that you can see track of that path. To change some warning, clear tool path, invalidate. So close it. We have to change that tool. Then we will be able to see it. So over here we are going to change all the parameters. That is okay. Setup. So these are action over here. Like if you want to simulate it, that also you can check it out. That how this is being get simulated. So that you can see holder, toolpath, and info statistics. Display holder you can see it, toolpath you can see it, transparent program point. So stroke also you want to see it. But with this one is stroke. From the stroke you are going to make that part. That also you can do it. So again go to action, generate. So you can generate your path. Select the operation has a valid tool path. Want to generate the operation anyway, yes. So now this one is being get generated. So there is some issue with that tool path. No need to worry about it right now. I want to just share with you. Simulate. Okay, so now I'm going to simulate it. Now you can see how this process is being going on. So that you can see it over here because this tool is not competent over here because that is being used for drilling. But how machining is going on over here, that you can see it in one pass, two pass. So that you can visualize over here how it is working. So everything you can do over here, everything you can simulate over here in a very simple way. And after that, you can generate your G code. From directly over here, you can generate your G code, and after that, you can manufacture it. That G code you can directly use in your CNC machine, and you can manufacture your part easily. So that can be done over here. So it will take time to complete it one pass, and after that second pass and third pass it will do facing. So this one is one operation. If you want to do after that one more operation I want to add, so that also I can add. Like if I want to do turning, that also I can do it. If I want to do any kind of 3D machining like probing, that also we can do it. So everything we will able to do it over here. And we want to do any kind of additive, then we can select this one option and we will able to additive manufacturing also we can do it over here. So this one we are doing simulation over here of face face milling that we are doing it right now. So also it is telling you that your tool is not competent. You can change your tool. So you can select your tool and tool holder according to your available tools, or you can feed or customize tool also over here if that you are going to use it over here. Okay, so that you can see it over here in a very simple way. So let it get finished, and after that we are going to add a few more operation. Okay, let me add a few more operations. So this one is one operation we have added over here. So setup, a new setup that we can do it over here. Then after that we can do turning also we can do, drilling also we can do over here like drilling. So I want to do drilling over here. So drilling setup also you can do it. So second setup process I want to do drilling. So drilling, select your tool. So tool I'm going to select like this one, select tool. So these are tools. So you can select your operation setup. So these are documents. So you can take any drilling tool over here. This one I'm going to take it, select it. Then after that coolant, if you want to use it, no, I'm going to say no. Okay, hold more mode. So how you are going to hold your workpiece, that also you can select it over here. Like if you are going to do some mold or something like that. So select face, hold face, nothing. So select same diameter, select same diameter. If there is some diameter like this one, if I want to use it, so that also you can use it. Then optimize the order, that we are not going to do tool orientations. So tool orientation, if you want to see that also you can see it over here, like where you want to use it. So ZXC, wherever you want to do that you can do it. So I'm not going to use it. So then after that you can use this one, clearance height. If you want to change it, that also you can change it. Cycle, number of cycles, drilling rapid out. So it's I'm going to do rapid drilling out. So you can make it okay. Tool. This one is your tool over here. It will go in that directions. These are period and therefore that these are by default. To make it okay. Okay, no face selected. So we have to select face also. Whole face. Select this face. This one face I'm going to select it. Select this face. Select face. Okay. Select mode. Select point. Select face. So I have selected face. Diameter range also you can select it. So I selected this face over there. I want to make it whole. Make it okay. Save to generate toolbar. So do it again. So I want to edit it. Edit tool. So you can select tool again. Cutter, shaft, holder, cutting data. Properties, accept it. So I have accepted it again. Let me delete it. The tool create MC program, edit it. So again I'm going to edit all the operations. The tool we have selected it already. Tool holder also we can select it. So let me take another tool for drilling. Local library, ball and computer. Take it simple. Okay, take it to here in local library. So these are tool holder, but just I have to select tool. So let me select over here. This one tool. This one is earlier setup. Okay. So this one I'm going to select. If you want to create new one, that also you can do it. If you want to edit this tool, that also you can do it. All tool. So any drilling tool you can take it. I'm going to take simple tool. This one drilling. So select this one tool. So now I have selected tool, coolant, monitoring, and after that geometry, whole mode, face, select point. So this whole point I have selected it over here. And after that same diameter, um, containment boundary, nothing, depth, okay. Tool orientation, no issue. And this one is base, height. So everything we did it over here. Now we have to make it okay. Now it is generated, drilling rapid over here. This one is being generated. Now I want to simulate this part. So yes, so I want to see this one part, that how the drilling is being carried out. So this one I just did it over here. Yes. So now I'm going to take action, generate. Yes. So we are going to generate first one, this one. And after that we are going to generate that second one also. So both the operation is being that generated. So these are actually, this one is byte data. Okay, so now I want to simulate it. Simulate this part I want to simulate. So let's see how it is being working. Now you can see how drilling is working over here. This one is first part. And after doing this, it will let me go to next part, go to next operations. Now it is drilling operations. The drilling operation is very, that depth has not been defined yet. So next operation you can see this one is drilling. So this one hole is being, complete hole is being get selected. So we have to select only small part so that we can make it smaller one. So all the operation we can make it and we will able to run it. So this one is first one, this one is second one. So drilling operation we can do it. Otherwise we can select many other process also that we can make it. So now I'm going to sum up it over here. So if there is any doubt related to this that you can ask it and you can practice it. So then after that what you can do more thing over here. So now this one is the MC program. So you can save that file in the format of MC program. That code is being generated over here in local that file and you can save it. So that G code you can save it over here in this simple way. So that can be get saved over here with the name of this program. So that can be done. So whatever you want to do over here, that you can do it over here. To set up it, if you want to see post processor, that also you can see it. So all the detail about it, so how it is working. Then after that, this one is a setup sheet. Whatever setup you did it, all the setup sheet, if there is available, that also you can import it. So these are managed like from mail to library, task manager, export, import. These are advanced things that also you can do it. So these are sectional analysis. If you want to do sectional analysis of this particular phase, so that also you can do it like see like if you want to cut it in half and full, that also you can do it. If you want to do sectional analysis, cancel it. If you want to do side sectional analysis from this phase, okay, that phase selected again, cancel it. So side phase also you can select it side plane and you can do sectional analysis from this axis also. That also can be done. So I'm going to stop sharing over here. Now, if you're having any kind of doubt, any kind of queries that you can ask over here, yes. Is there any kind of queries, any kind of doubt? After that, there is one quiz competition also that is related to this training program. So you will find all this detail over here about all the component tools and the basic things you will able to find over here. So if there is any kind of doubt, you can ask over here directly. So type your queries in the chat box if you're having any kind of queries, any kind of doubt. Yes. Is there any kind of queries? So CAM, there is CAM for CAM there is mobile app also available. So for that you can use that OnSafe app. In that there is some add-on tool that you can use it. So that you can use it, but that I think that also not working in mobile phone. But there is no specific CAM app. So I don't know any specific CAM app with the help of that we can do CAM operation. But the designing part you can do with that previous app that I told you. Okay, thank you so much. And now I think your quiz is being get scheduled. So within 5 minutes. So is it so, madam? Madam, I think quiz is get scheduled at 4:45.
Yes, sir, it's 4:45.
Gudaraji, now
So
you
I
can
think
Gudaraji, now you can float to that quiz link.
okay, okay, sir. I'm going to float that quiz link.
Yeah, so that we can have discussion.
So quiz link we are going to share over here in the chat box. So over here you will be able to get that link. Yes, that link is being get shared to all the participants, but this quiz link will get started at 4:45. So now you will not able to open that link. So 2 minutes before we will get started at 4:43. So that you can fill your information like your mail ID is required for that. This quiz is based on Google Classroom, I mean Google Form. So you have to do signing over there also. Then you will be able to attempt this quiz easily. So very important point, after 15 minutes, you have to submit your quiz. If you are not going to submit it, so the time will get over and the quiz will get closed. So this is quiz link over here. I think all the participant has received that quiz link. Yes, it is now. It will open at 4:43. At 4:43, this link will get open. Okay, after 1 minute, this quiz link is going to open. Yes. It will be open for up to 5. So within up to 5, you have to submit your quiz. Otherwise, the quiz will not get submitted. Okay, now quiz link is open. You can refresh your browser if you have already opened it, or you can reopen it that link, and that link is now open. You can start filling your information and you can start your quiz. Okay. So now quiz is open. Quiz is opening or not right now? Respond in the chat box. Quiz is opening or not? I think all the participant is busy in filling that quiz. That's great. That's great. Respond over here. Quiz is opening or not right now?
I
If
think
anyone
it's
is not
opening, Godara. I think otherwise they would have written some chat box.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think right
It
now
is
all the
opening.
participants are busy. It's opening. Yes. Nandini Singh, kindly try to reopen it again. Again, I'm going to share link over here. So kindly reopen it. And one more thing, if you are going to use mobile phone, copy this link and open Chrome browser in your mobile phone over there. You can open it easily. If somehow you are directly clicking over here, that's creating an issue, something I think over there. So you can directly copy this link and open in your Chrome browser or any other browser over there. Is it opening to everyone? The quiz is opening right now. If it is not opening, refresh it. Might be you have opened it earlier. Refresh your browser and you will be able to open it. Directly click over here and refresh it and you will be able to open it.
देखो हो जाओ.
So I'm going to tell you that way also over here how you can open it. So I'm going to tell you with browser. So some participant has a response, giving response over here in a quiz. So what we have to do, you have to copy that link. You have to paste that link in your browser. After that, you will able to open it. Again, I'm going to share it with you. If you are going to open video, so I'm going to open in a new window so that you can see your quiz properly. So open that quiz and quiz will be get open like this. So it's saying that sign in to continue. So you have to do sign in over here with your Gmail account, and after that you will able to do sign in and able to do that quiz. So is it clear to everyone now? Okay, is it clear to everyone now? So what you have to do, you have to paste that quiz link and you have to click over here, over there, and after that your quiz will get open and it will ask about sign in. So you have to do sign in with Gmail account and mail ID. You have to use it that you have used for all the registration and all that, and then you have to use Gmail account. Gmail mail you have to use it over here. Okay, I think is it clear to everyone? If there is any kind of queries that you can type in the chat box. So I'm sending link again. This one is link over here in the chat box. So Dhaka sir, kindly share this link in the WhatsApp group also. If some participants are not able to access over here, they will able to access in that WhatsApp group also.
Okay. Okay. Meenu madam,
Yes sir.
you can post in WhatsApp group also.
सर जो अजय सर ने सेंड किया है जो मेरे पास है लिंक वो वाला।
वो सेम ही लिंक
वो
हमने
भी
कौन सा भेज
नहीं,
दिया था
फीडबैक
सेम।
1 and 2 भी कर दीजिएगा, ये क्विज लिंक भी कर दीजिएगा, दोनों कर 3।
ओके सर।
वो कैड कैम आरपीटी ग्रुप है, देखो कैड कैम एंड आरपीटी। तो जरा लिंक तो खुल रहा है अच्छा से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
हाँ जी सर, सही चल रहा है, बिल्कुल चल रहा है। So some participant has attempted that quiz. Okay, that's great. So kindly don't do hurry. There is plenty of time right now. आप जल्दबाजी मत कीजिएगा. आप take your time. So before ending that quiz time, you before 5 minutes you can submit it. Check all the questions properly. If you are not going to get 60% marks, I think that is criteria. You are not going to get certificate. So kindly don't do hurry. So that is important.
हाँ गोदारा, ये नंबर 10 क्वेश्चन जो है ना, टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल विच इज कॉमनली यूज्ड आर, ओके,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसमें इट इज टेकिंग मोर देन 2 नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शन। इफ यू क्लिक 2 ऑप्शन ऑल्सो इट इज टेकिंग।
Okay, okay, sir.
एक ही लेना है, एक ही उठाना है ना एक्चुअली।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी सर.
इसमें 2 पे टिक करे तो 2 ले रहा है, 3 पे टिक करे तो 3 भी ले रहा है।
ओके, लेट मी चेक, लेट मी करेक्ट इट से एक पे हम कर देंगे जो करेक्ट है इसका. आई
हाँ
विल
एक,
एडिट इट.
बाकी तो ठीक है, मैं देख रहा हूँ।
10 नंबर.
टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल्स विच इज कॉमनली यूज्ड आर,
एक ही आंसर, एक ही है सर इसका.
आंसर एक ही,
आंसर एक
लेकिन
ही है.
आप आंसर तो एक ही है। अगर आप क्लिक करें तो ना 4 क्लिक हो रहे टोटल।
ओके, ओके, 4 क्लिक हो रही है, लेट मी
हाँ,
चेक.
ऐसा क्लिक नहीं होनी चाहिए, इट हैज टू टेक ओनली 1 ऑप्शन।
ओके सर.
होगा ऐसा, अगर कर दिए तो कर दिए, अगर नहीं प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं होगा।
वही रखते हैं सर, चेक पोस्ट, क्योंकि अभी एकदम डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा सबका.
हाँ हाँ,
तो कोई भी एक सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
हमने तो करेक्ट आंसर को ही देना है ना मार्क्स तो।
हाँ, करेक्ट ही देना है सर, बिल्कुल.
राइट। और अटल कोर्सेज कुछ चल रहे क्या गोदारा?
हाँ जी सर.
अटल कोर्सेज कब से शुरू है फिर अभी दोबारा?
अटल कोर्सेज अभी मुझे नोटिफिकेशन तो एक कहीं से आया था कि अगस्त उसमें जुलाई सितंबर में स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, सितंबर में.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मैंने भी अप्लाई किया था, उसमें 3D प्रिंटिंग अप्लाई किया था, नेवल मटेरियल एंड
ओके,
स्पोर्टिंग।
ओके, अभी आ जाएगा सर, नोटिफिकेशन उनका आ जाएगा जल्दी.
आ जाएगा, अभी छुट्टी नहीं चल रहा होगा, श्रीनिवास भी बता रहा था।
ओके, ओके.
So they are saying कि लिंक ओपन नहीं हो रहा।
देखो गोदारा, लिंक क्यों
लिंक.
नहीं ओपन हो रहा, थोड़ा सा देखो।
So kindly do one thing. You can copy this link and open in your Chrome browser. That will be a good way. And it is opening. So I'm going to share with you this one link. I just copied it. I'm going to share with you how you can open it. So again, I'm going to share with the screen.
बंद कर
So
दो।
this one is my screen. I just open a new window and I just pasted my same link. That link I shared with you. Same link I pasted it. I'm clicking it over here. So that link is opening over here. Just you need to sign in. That pop-up window is, I think, displaying over there. So you have to click sign in over here. So that's why I think you are not able to find that pop-up window in a mobile phone. So that you can check it out, and properly you have to do sign in over here with Gmail ID. And after that you will able to start your quiz. That is simple. I'm doing it in front of you. So how many marks? I think that is 60% marks that you can check it. So 23 participant has already responded that quiz, so that's good. So more participant is doing it fast. Okay, do it, do it. So you are having 8 more minutes, so do it fast and don't do any kind of hurry. So some participant has scored 40% marks. Some many party 3 4 participant has scored 40% marks. So they are in a danger zone. Some participants scored 20 marks because I think at the session time they were watching Ramayana or any kind of serial. That's why they scored very less. So again, I'm going to share link over here. This one is link. That link you can open it. So how you can open it? Again, I'm going to share with you how you can open it. Go to your browser, Chrome browser, and over there you can directly. I'm just showing you the new window because I have already signed in over here. So you can paste your link and then click enter it. So your quiz will get open and you have to do sign in over there. If you have already signed in your browser, then it will not ask, and after that your quiz will get started. So that is step. ये step आपको follow करनी है. So that link I shared over here again. If any participant have any kind of issue, they can type in the chat box. Okay, some participant got 90% mark. That's great. Congratulations. Also, you can mention your marks over here that how much score you did it over here if you have submitted your quiz. So morely 60% marks is required for a certificate, and you scored 90%. That's great. Great. Pankaj Singh scored 70%. That's great. Good, good. Do it. Hurry up. Last 5 minutes. Do it. Hurry up. Only 10 questions is there, and 15-minute time is there. It's very easy. That's great. You scored 70 marks. That's great. Pari Suresh. Great. Do it fast. Do it fast. Only 3 minutes left. Do it fast. Only 2 minutes left. So if you have completed it, kindly submit it. If you are not going to submit it, it will not do automatically submit. Your quiz will not automatically get submitted. You have to submit it. Then only it will get submitted. If you are going to, you have completed your quiz, and if you are not going to submit it within timeline, your quiz will not be get submitted. It will show that you have not attempted that quiz. So kindly submit it. Only 2 minutes left. So do it fast. Hurry up, hurry up. After 2 minutes, your quiz will automatically get closed. So yes, now time is only 1 minute is left. Oh, that's great. You scored 80% marks. That's great. So only 1 minute left. Kindly submit your quiz as soon as possible. Submit it. Submit your quiz. Only 1 minute is left. Do it fast. Hurry up. Only 1 minute is left. Kindly submit it. Otherwise, your quiz will not get considered. So okay, five time is over. So 1 more minute I'm giving you. So kindly submit it fast. If anyone has left to submit your quiz, kindly submit it. Your quiz will not automatically get submitted. So we are going to stop that quiz. So kindly submit it. 1 more minute is there. Do it. Hurry up. Kindly submit it fast. Quick, quick. So after that, there is no excuse. Kindly do it. So there is one feedback form also that is given in your WhatsApp group, I think. So is it so, madam? That feedback form is shared on WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir, they are shared on the WhatsApp group.
Yes. So kindly share your feedback. That is very valuable for us. So kindly share it. So kindly share your feedback in that feedback form. That is essential for a certificate also. You are not going to receive certificate without feedback form. So kindly submit that one also. That is available in your. If you have completed your quiz, kindly submit that feedback form also. So thank you so much to all the participants. Now quiz, we are going to end that quiz over here. Okay, so I think all the participant has submitted their response. If any participant left to submit that quiz due to their network issue, so kindly do it fast. Before closing it, kindly submit your quiz. Automatically, it will not get submitted. Do it fast, quick, quick. Only one more minute we are giving. Because last time some participant was saying that there was some network issue and they have clicked the submit button on 5 and that was not get submitted. So at 5:03 we are going to stop it. Okay, now we are going to end that quiz. If any participant left, so we can't do anything right now. So only at 5:30 we will end it. So kindly submit it fast. Hurry up. Yes, now we are going to end it.
So one of the participant is asking the answer for question number 4 and 6 of the quiz.
Okay, that I'm going to check it out. Question number,
4 and 6.
okay. Yes. So in question number 4, is it being get answer or being get questions over here that it was asked over here in question number 4 that can we do fillet cube in Tinkercad? Mean in a cube, if we want to do any kind of fillet, can we do in the Tinkercad? So that answer is I think yes, because we did that fillet in that Tinkercad also. That I have shown you one example of that fillet, that how you can add fillet over there. So then after that there is chamfer in question number 5. So that also you can see over here. So chamfer also we can give over there, but chamfer is little bit tough. So that answer is yes, chamfer also we can do over there using some rotating command or some cylindrical shape we can take it, and that chamfer also we can do over there. That also can be done. So these all both question and answer is yes. So question number 3 and question number 4 and 5. Both answer is yes, and we can do fillet and we can do chamfer also in the Tinkercad. But for that you have to go in advance in the Tinkercad, that how you can put that chamfer over there. For that you have to put your brain over there, then only you will be able to do it. So that is possible. So these are some tricky questions over there, so that you can think over it. So few questions are so much easy, and few questions are a little bit more tricky. Yes. So quiz, all the participants have submitted their quiz, and congratulations. And your score is released, and your score will also you will receive on your mail ID. So kindly check your mail ID for your score. So your score is already sent on your mail ID, and that also you can check it over here. If somehow if you are not able to see your score over here after submitting your quiz,
गोदारा
you
जी,
will be able to see. Yes, sir.
एक चैट बॉक्स में मैं पढ़ रहा था फ्रॉम डेनियल सर आई एम डिड विद यस बट मार्क्ड एज रॉन्ग इन आंसर शीट फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 saying
Question number 4, sir.
तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप बताया था ना अभी जस्ट दैट इज रिगार्डिंग जस्ट आई एम सेइंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 can we do fillet cube in Tinkercad? He wrote yes, but he got 0 marks for that.
No, sir, that is not possible over here. That is
The
correct
question
answer is
from
yes.
but okay, the question from Daniel is I sir I am did with the yes, but marked as wrong in answer sheet for question number 4.
No,
Even
that is
from
not
Yashwant
possible.
Yadav
So,
also we are getting the same.
okay,
I
okay,
marked
sir,
yes.
sir. Yes. So, is there any issue? So, you are going to release your score. So, you can send us a screenshot of that scorecard. Scorecard is being sent on your mail ID. All the questions you have answered, their score is also sent on your mail ID. Check it out over there, and you can cross verify. Might you have not answered that questions, or you have answered no somehow. That you can check it out. Okay. So that can be done, sir.
That can
Because
be
we
done.
have
No?
shared that.
Because they are,
That
unnecessarily they are getting losing 20, I think 10 marks for each question. Na?
yes, yes. If they are doing it, yes, and if they are going to share screenshot, then we will give them mark also.
But whereas the software is giving 0 marks for them, those who they are giving right answer even though, so he is getting 0 marks for that.
That is not possible, sir. Somehow it is happening that we have to check it out that why it is happening. So
Okay.
that's why we are sending them that you can send their screenshot so that we can
Okay.
troubleshoot it out.
No,
Why it is
that you will
happening.
take care of, no problem. That you can take care of those all the things.
Right, sir. Right.
So, So any other questions you have some problem, dear participants?
So they were talking about asking about the certificates when they will.
Yes.
Certificates will be giving. I think next week most probably will be giving. So there are hardly 62 participants only. So we'll take care of those. Next week we'll be uploading on the website. You can download from the link.
Yes. So all the participant, you will get certificate in after I think 1 week. So just consider it 15 days because sometime due to that COVID-19 staff are less. So after 15 days you will get certificate on meter website. Over there you have to do login and in your account and you will able to check your certificate. If somehow if any difficulty you face after 15 days, then you can contact Sudhakar sir. Sir will solve your query regarding certificate.
No, so Godaraji, actually this time the participants are very less. It is in couple of days. I think 2 to 3 days we'll submit to the import department. So they will
Yes, sir.
get the certificate. We'll hand over. No problem.
Yes,
So
sir.
in the
That's
previous
good,
course,
sir.
there were the 834 participants were there in my course.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
why
sir.
I took more than 1 month to give the certificate.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm just giving participant to more 15 days already because if somehow if there is any issue with the certification, so they will get in 15
Yeah.
days they will definitely get it.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you so much and thank you
Okay.
to all the participants.
Okay. Thank you, Godaraji, for kind support during all the 5 days. For each and every session, you have helped me a lot. And similarly, my colleague Minu
Thank you, sir.
Sharma. Thank you so much for your Minuji, because you helped me very lot in all the sessions during all this 5 days journey. I am very thankful to you and you
Welcome,
as well
sir.
as Dr. Sudhara. And I'm also thankful for the participants also. So they were very keen and joining at the same time at particular time they are joining the this sessions. They are throughout the session they are in the online. Okay, thank you so much all the all the participants and thank you so much. So now with this I will end the session today's final day.